Dogecoin is gaining momentum in the market, with analysts eyeing a potential 37x surge that's catching the attention of both investors and traders. At the same time, the highly anticipated Lightchain AI pre-sale is making waves as it positions itself as the next big opportunity in the crypto space. Aiming for a massive 100x pump, Lightchain AI is leveraging the growing interest in innovative blockchain projects to capture investor interest early. Meanwhile, Ethereum is showing bullish patterns, hinting at a potential upward trend in the near future. With these cryptocurrencies presenting exciting opportunities and market dynamics shifting rapidly, now might be the perfect time for investors to explore the next big digital asset. Dogecoin eyes potential 37x surge. Dogecoin, Doge, has lately got lots of notice from people because of talk about a big rise in price. Analyst Dima James Potts thinks that Doge might see a 37 times raise by the end of 2025, making links to its past ups and downs in market cycles. This guess is based on old patterns seen in the fourth year of Dogecoin's 4-year market round. In the first round, Doge went up from $0.000232 to $0.00851, which is a 37 times rise. Likewise, in second round, it grew from $0.00460 to $0.17064, again getting a 37 times gain. Potts thinks that the next cycle might copy these trends and could bring a price of about $11.65 by the end of 2025. Though these guesses are uncertain and rely on past numbers, they show the chance for big rise in Dogecoin's worth. People who invest should look at such predictions with care since the cryptocurrency market is known to be unstable and hard to predict. Lightchain AI coin aims for 100x pump. Lightchain AI, LCAI, is generating significant attention in the cryptocurrency space, with analysts predicting a potential 100x surge in its value. Currently priced at $0.0045 during its pre-sale phase, LCAI offers an affordable entry point for investors. The project's innovative features set it apart from traditional cryptocurrencies. Its proof of intelligence, or consensus mechanism, incentivizes meaningful AI computations, promoting sustainability and efficiency. Additionally, the Artificial Intelligence Virtual Machine, AIVM, enables the execution of AI-specific tasks directly on the blockchain, opening avenues for decentralized AI applications across various industries. Analysts draw parallels between Lightchain AI and the early days of Solana, Sol, suggesting that LCAI could experience a substantial price increase as the project progresses. The pre-sale has already raised over $7 million, reflecting strong investor confidence. While these projections are speculative, the combination of innovative technology and a clear roadmap positions Lightchain AI as a promising candidate for significant growth in the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum forms bullish pattern. Ethereum, ETH, has been showing signs of a potential upward trend, with analysts observing bullish patterns in its price chart. The cryptocurrency's price has formed an ascending triangle pattern, characterized by higher lows and a flat upper resistance level. This pattern typically signals an impending breakout towards the upside, potentially leading to significant gains for investors. Analysts also note that Ethereum is currently trading above its 50-day moving average, MA, another bullish indicator. With the upcoming highly anticipated ETH 2.0 upgrade, which promises improved scalability and reduced transaction fees, Ethereum's future looks promising. Investors should keep a close eye on this cryptocurrency as it continues to show signs of potential growth. So, whether it's Dogecoin's potential 37x surge, Lightchain AI's aim for a 100x pump, or Ethereum's bullish patterns and upcoming upgrades, the cryptocurrency market is presenting exciting opportunities for investors. Lightchain AI's presale and Ethereum's emerging trends serve as reminders for investors to stay informed and explore new potential investments in the ever-evolving world of digital assets.